Hi, this is Chuck. Welcome to the Rocketeer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a nozzle forming tool. I start with a block of wood that's 9 1/4 inches wide and 7 inches tall. From the bottom edge, I measure over 3 1/2 inches, and from the top, I measure over 6 1/4 and make a mark. I scribe a line between these two marks. Then I measure up 1 1/8 inch from the bottom and draw a line over to here. This establishes our angle that we'll need to make the cone. Then I take a 2 1/4 inch piece of wood and line it up with this line. We'll take our hot glue gun and glue this piece down. Now that this piece is set, I put a 1-inch piece of PVC pipe next to it, and this is our guide pipe, and we will use this to guide the dowel into the router bit. And finally, I glued another piece of wood on the other side to help stabilize it. Both this piece of wood and the guide pipe are even with this 1 1/8 inch line. I use a 1/2 inch round nose router bit, and that will shape the cone. First, the dowel comes through here. I like to use poplar because it's a little bit softer. And the dowel comes through here and hits on the router bit. You gently turn the dowel while the router bit is spinning, and that will shape our cone. It's important to turn this smoothly and carefully and take off just a little bit at a time. On this particular cone, I have put epoxy on the outside to make it a little bit more sturdy. Now, this is what we will use along with a base to make our casting form. In our next video, we'll take our nozzle form and place it in the casting base, and that way we can use that to cast nozzles that we'll use for our rocket motors. If you enjoy this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future video series. Until then, fly straight. We'll see you later.